Hello again and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you a free design tool that I use to do some of my designs for customers, or you can use it to do on your Facebook page or your Instagram or YouTube thumbnail, for example. But before I jump into it, just to give you a bit of context, my background is I was an engineer, so I'm not from a design background. So for me, doing design is something tough. You have to learn all the Photoshops, and which you have to pay quite a big amount. And when you just open the Photoshop platform, you see all those little icons, and you have no idea what it means. So this software is one software where it's easy to use, and most importantly, it's free. So you can just sign up and immediately you get to use it. And yeah, let's jump right into it and let's see what design we can do. Let's go. The software that I want to recommend today is Canva.com, www.canva.com. So as a non-designer myself, this is a really good software, or this is a web application where you can do designs, and you don't have to worry about the ratio and things like that, because different place you post have different ratios. So this is all done for you. I'll show you the platform inside. So you go to this website and it's free. You can just create an account and it's free. In fact, I've seen many startups in the country here, Malaysia. They use it to do their social media postings. So you just sign up. Yeah, but anyway, I already signed up. So this is my account. And of course, when you upgrade, they have more features, but just go through the free ones, and it's already quite packed with features. You can do like Instagram post, Instagram story, Facebook post. As you can see, right, look at the pixels are all different. So if you were to design this one by one, my god, you're gonna have a big headache. So yeah, you can just pick one, and it's whether your e-commerce or anything, you can just pick one and just use it. You can even do document, nice looking documents, a presentation as well. The presentation platform, the presentation, how to say, format is pretty nice compared to use standard PowerPoint. And you do need some time to get familiar with it, but it's still a very nice design. You can do report, memo, even invoices, all these cards, photo collage, calendar planner, worksheet, mind map, table content. In marketing, you do logo. Yeah, you can even do logo with Canva. They have a few logo designs that you can choose, but the only thing is if you take a free version, you are unable to get it as a transparent background. But if you upgrade it, you can test free for 1 month and then just get the one with the transparent background out. Infographic, this is very important when you want to write blog, brochure, events, ads. You see, even when you do ads, you can get them here. Yeah, in fact, so then you can do a very nice book. You can put a book here, and then with a nice cover, and then you can just print it out in PDF. Okay, let's just start on design. For example, you want to do a Facebook post, and you want to say, yeah, okay. Just look at how simple the dashboard is. If you want to compare to like Photoshop or things like that, what do you see at the left, bottom, right? You see all these little things. But yeah, yes, if you are a full-fledged graphic designer, that may be important for you. But for us, I mean, for people like me, this is good enough. You can even upload your own photos. You can have a different backgrounds. You see, there's many different backgrounds that you can use. the text, the font size. Look at it. There's so many things you can do. Elements. You see, you can use grid, photos, free photos. There's already free photos here. And if you want to get more photos which are not here, you can just check on my previous video where I mentioned a few websites where you can get free stock photos for you to use immediately in your project. Look at it. There's so many things. Illustration. Look at it. There's illustrations and things like that that you can use. Or if you just have no idea what to use, look at it. There's a template that you can use. Just see which one you want. For example, like this one, yard sale. You can just use the exact same template, change the date, change the title and the location. Then boom, you can use it already. You can just click on here to download it in any format. You can publish, download. There's many things you can do. You can even change the filter. You don't like black? Let me see what filter they have. Yeah, you can change to the blues, Nordic, street, grayscale. Yeah, there's many things you can do with this. So take your time to explore, and there's a big learning curve there. I don't deny it, but at least everything is graphic, so it's easy for you to pick up as well. So go ahead and just use it. Thank you. I hope this video has helped you. Well, if you are a design dummy like I am, of course, when you move up, when your company grow bigger, or when you have a more challenging design requirement, you will still need to get software like Photoshop and things like that. But for you to start, even as I mentioned, I've seen many startups in my company that actually use Canva to do their design work to put in their social media posts. And frankly speaking, for you to start getting traction, this is one of the best and the easiest to use software you can use out there. So if you like what I've shared, do like and subscribe to my channel below, and I look forward for the next thing I can share with you. Goodbye.